What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're working my rm250. It's an 01. You've seen it in some other videos before this, and we got a lot of snow on the ground, so it's time to work on it. So I'll give you a quick rundown on what I did off camera. So I got it all stripped down. I got all the parts over there on the bench. So got put a new top end on it, new piston and rings. Put new tires, front and rear. So on the back we got a Kenda Trackmaster. And on the front we also have another Kenda Trackmaster. Before, when I got it, it just had a worn down Trackmaster on the front, and then it had a Michelin Star Cross, or it had a Trackmaster on the rear, and it had a Michelin Star Cross on the front, and it was really hard rubber, and it was worn down, so it was crap in the corners. So I did that. I did brakes front and rear, and then in the rear I did axle or wheel spacers on either side, and bearings and brakes in the rear. And I think so far that's all I've done. I just have it all stripped down now. I gotta clean it yet. Gonna clean it all up nice. Take all the stickers off on the sway arms, because I got a full trim kit for this bike, so that's nice. I got some tank graphics on it already. Those came with the bikes, and I just put them on, or I got my brother to put them on. So yeah, that's done. I gotta get a new front brake rotor. As you can see, it's bent a little bit. It's curved in towards the wheel. I noticed that when I took the brake pads off, that they're worn unevenly, and then I put those ones on and they're binding just. So they're binding in the front there, so I got to do that. But I got a hardline hour meter I'm gonna put on there too, just so I keep track of hours. Put new Pro Taper grips on it. Still got, those are bars that came on it. They're Renthal fat bars. They're nice. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up now. Alright, so my camera died while I was filming this, so I'll show you how far I got. Gotten side panels, rear fin, exhaust, tank, the hour meter's on now, and the front fin and front plastic. Right now I just have the hour meter zip tied right there. I'm gonna find a better place for it. And then, yeah, I got the exhaust on, side panels. So all I have to do now is mount the tank and the shroud covers, or whatever they're called, and then put the seat on, and it should be good to go. And then I'm gonna do the trim kit on it. This is a new rear fender I got. The other one was destroyed, so. Alright, after a long while I finally got this tail fin done. Looks alright. It's my first time ever laying graphics, but as you can tell, I messed it up a little bit there. I had to cut a slit there and on the other side in the same spot. But this looks a lot better than just a plain tail fin. So I got the sway arm graphics on. Those laid perfectly, so that's nice. I still gotta put the chain on. I'll just do that. And then I got the front fin on there. It's alright. I need to maybe work on it a little bit. So yeah, it's ready for spring. As soon as the snow melts, it's got fresh tires, fresh brakes in the front, brakes in the rear, and then bearings and the axle spacers in the rear. Fresh top end, hour meter, graphics, grips, and then a couple other things are done to it. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you like the content, and we'll see you in the next one.